Good morning, let's do a recap on yesterday's trade. I was so extremely tired last night I didn't get to do it, but I did do the trade recap on YouTube, so if you want to see that and a little bit more as to why I took the trade, then have a look. But let's break it down. I took a trade yesterday, which was cool, but this is basically my lot size calculator. So I have a $2,000 account balance, I risk 1%, I risk only $20, and I did a 0.01 lot size. And I'm just gonna close that. I'm also gonna I'll leave the session spinner. So we got what I wanted to see originally throughout the day was price go and retrace back to here and buy up, but the reason why I realized that I'm just a little bit too attached to that was because price went up here, it pushed back, so it's already made that correction, it pushed above this high and it pulled back, it's already made that correction again, and it's done that all the way up, so there's no reason for it to come all the way back down, and if it does, then that would be a low probability setup. So I saw this level here, which I marked out, which was this swing high here. This was a little bit choppy price action, but this was still the very clear swing high. I saw price made an indication correction, but this had no market structure, so I didn't take this. So I really just wanted to see price go back down and do a proper correction to this level. So Asia session, it did that correction towards the start of London. I didn't trade the first hour of London simply because I saw in my back testing data that it just it's not very good. And then it usually gives me early entries, which end up getting stopped out before my proper entry comes and goes up. So I waited, and then I saw price go up above this level. I had my TP at this high and then my stop loss at this swing low, but I'll show you guys on a lower time frame. Okay, so this is the 15-minute. You can see price made a high here. It made an equal high with 3 touch points here, so I knew that this was going to be a draw on liquidity. I don't trade draw on liquidities, but I was trying to fight between the thought of like a liquidity sweep, and then I justified that by saying, okay, no, there's no, like, I don't need to worry about a liquidity sweep, because if we're going to talk ICT terms, then that's going to be the draw on liquidity. But I still stuck to my ICC setup, and I didn't take the trade until I got the full ICC setup. But yeah, we can see price is forming bearish structure on this pullback, on this correction back below this level. It formed this reaction candle and this reaction candle, and you can see that both of those had extremely high buyer volume, which was indicating to me buyers are back in control. It started forming bullish structure back above this level, and then I entered off of that low time frame ICC setup using this high indication correction continuation, and I basically entered off the pullback of this bullish structure on the continuation. And you can see the bullish structure a bit clearer on the 5-minute. And then I'm really glad I entered that trade, because that was probably the cleanest session, because look at what New York did. Yeah, I didn't really do anything. So yeah, that was my trade recap. If you want to see the full video, go check out my YouTube channel. But yeah, let me know how your trading day went.